to go actually through the whole process of this. And I'll tell you what most of you cats don't know out there is April can literally put anything together to make it taste like something that you thought, holy moly, this stuff is good. Seriously, it's true, babe. Have you ever made, except that,
Well, you ain't gonna talk about it, whatever it is.
well, that one,
You ain't talking about it.
there was only one, yeah, it was serious. That's,
No, that's what has been taking karate class.
I don't know what it was. Yeah, what was that?
Everybody, let's focus.
Something real weird. I don't know. Antifreeze. Here she goes, then. Let her work her magic. What I said.
So it's supposed to have
4 times points on restaurants
an egg in it, but we don't want to waste the eggs. So we're going to use olive oil instead of eggs. It's supposed to have,
You can do that. You can do that.
it's supposed to have milk in it, but we don't have any milk. So we're going to substitute water and butter.
You can do that. You can do that.
So we'll see what happens.
Get it going.
We don't really like cornbread anyway, but it was free at the HEB.
Oh, is this cornbread?
Yeah, it's cornbread.
Okay. So we're going to put that in this?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Together, we are the.
Oh, does that make like a little cake, babe? It's cornbread.
Cornbread.
Thing is, I don't know what cornbread is.
I mean, this looks like the right consistency.
It does. It looks good. I love it. So, babe, what are you doing with the... What is this?
For all of these men, I want to say that football is not just a game.
Well, you alright?
This is what I believe football is all about.
This is something that happens daily.
You're watching the Mercedes-Benz halftime report.
Press that. Press this. Give me a little press over here. How about over way over on the
Player keeping the coach's eye on the second half. That it would be a high-stakes success.
Get what? Wow, I stopped it. We will not be using this. She don't even know. She's still trying to mess with this thing. Let's get it going. Air fry it all the way.
I gotta get the manual. Who lost the manual? It's just right here. Where's the manual?
It doesn't matter because you just beep.
How do you change the temperature?
Does anybody know? Light us up on the next. Did you get it? Really?
No.
Look at that.
Alright, we'll have to use 350 then.
350.
Said 425, but we'll go with 350. That's all I got.